I'm Danny Smith, and today we're going in the field with Semper Fi Home Inspections. Today we're going to test the operation and safety of garage door openers. So come on inside. First thing we want to do is make sure the remote switch is mounted on the wall high enough so children can't operate it. And this one is. And there's three safety features of a garage door opener we're going to test today. The first one is these photoelectric eyes that are mounted about 6 inches off the floor. So to test those, we're going to start closing the door, walk up to the door, and wave your foot across the sensors, and the door should automatically reverse, just like this one did. The second safety feature is the auto reverse function. If the door is closing and makes contact with somebody or something, it should automatically reverse. So we're going to test that. We push the button again to close it. And without getting in the way of the sensors, we're going to grab the door and gently lift up, and the door should automatically reverse like it did here. That feature is working. The third and final feature is this safety reverse lever. If all else fails, pull on this lever and that will disengage the door